In this video, I will show you how to create a content calendar within ClickUp. Now, ClickUp is a great tool for things like content creation management, so let's get started. But first, I want to say if you want to create a ClickUp account with the best discounts available, I recommend you to check out the link in the description below. Alright, so once we are in ClickUp, so once you created your account, we can go to a specific project, just like this, and here we can go switch between different views. So I prefer the table view to add data, and the name is the video title, which, for example, you are uploading a YouTube video which is called 10,000 Orbeez in one room. I don't know which video might be, but yeah, that might be a video you want to upload, and the person who is working on that video is me, for example. The status is to do, and the due date, which is basically the upload date, let's say that is within 2 weeks, right? The priority is high, and what we can do is we can go to calendar over here, and as you can see, 1000 Orbeez in one room. I can tap on this, I can add subtask, I can just write some notes, I can write some important information, I can add more people to that task, I can do a lot of things, I can add files over here. Yeah, the options are genuinely endless. So that is how I organize ClickUp for a content calendar. I also prefer to use different modes. So I switch between different views basically. Project 1, and as you can see, this is a more filled board. As you can see, you can also do it like this: list, calendar, and Gantt, table, and you can also add a specific view if you want to. So yeah, that is basically how I manage a content calendar. I can also add more fields. As you can see, the options are endless. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.